Hi everyone, Jack and Miso from Eisaku Kaiwa community here again. As always with my videos with Miso, today's video is meant as listening practice for you. And today I'm going to be answering a very interesting question that I got from a student. And that is, why do my foreign friends suddenly invite me to do things? So if you have foreign friends or you've lived in a foreign country, you might have had this experience. Your friend will contact you and ask you, "Hey, do you want to go to dinner tonight?" And that might seem a little strange, right? Why are they suddenly asking me to go to dinner tonight? Why don't they ask me to go later and make a schedule or a plan? So the reason foreigners, and more specifically Americans, tend to do this so often is that a lot of people do not like to keep a strict schedule. So instead of having a calendar and writing all of their plans in a calendar, they prefer to do things more casually. And a lot of people see this as very friendly. They feel like they're close to you, so they can casually invite you to do something. And this is especially true for young people. So for anyone who has any foreign friends or is planning to study abroad or live in a foreign country, you should be prepared for this. A lot of people will not schedule things 2 or 3 weeks in advance, and instead they will just think, I'm free right now. Oh, I know, I'll ask my friend if they want to do something right now. So it's a very interesting cultural difference, and it can be a little strange to get used to, so you need to be prepared. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to practice your English more, please click the link below and sign up for a lesson with me at Eisaku Kaiwa community. Your first lesson is half price, so give it a shot. But that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.